and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning the advanced part of your Jive routine that we learned a few weeks ago. Now if you need a little refresh, there is a link in the box below, so click on that and have a little bit of a reminder. But other than that, let's get started.
Hi guys and welcome back. I hope you've had a little recap of our last Jive video because here is your advanced section. We are starting with some American spins. Now make sure your balance is on point for this one because you have one full rotation to make but only on one foot. So take care and keep that core strong. Taking your right foot back and replacing on your left, add on an on-the-spot chasse before doing your first full spin on your right foot. It's really important to keep your core strong and find an object in front of you to spot so you can end up in the same position as you started. It always helps for that spotting. Moving on, we have a step that we call behind the back. I'm sure you can guess where we are going with this one. Now as a lady, we would be going behind the back of the guy, but if you are doing it solo in your living room, it doesn't change anything. So you're starting back on your right foot, replacing on your left. Now you're going to have a half a turn to your right and you're always going to be making that turn to the right, so there's no change there. Keeping it very simple, but you have a small rotation to your right, a nice little chasse and rotate. Perfect. You're going to be pros by the end of it, I promise. Okay, now here is your full Jive routine from top to bottom. Enjoy guys!